Guys, welcome back to Fadli TV. By the way guys, hari ni aku ada event. Aku kena jadi komentator untuk fight kickboxing, boxing, MMA dekat Subang Parade guys. Kita tengah mencari tempat. Oh, aku dah jumpa dah. Itu dia tempat yang kita nak pergi tu. Oh, Diorang dah start MMA bout lah guys. Diorang dah start MMA bout. Let's go. Oh, ingatkan diorang start MMA bout. Bukan MMA bout. Ni macam kickboxing bout. So kita dekat Fire Cage MMA. Diorang buat dekat Subang Parade, tengah-tengah ni lah. Buat event kickboxing, MMA. Nice kan? Biasa Subang Parade ni memang tak ada orang datang sangat pun. Tapi disebabkan ada event ni, ramai pula yang datang lah. Inilah kerja aku hari ni, jadi MC, jadi komentator dengan dia. Hai. So ni tempat kita orang lah. Alamak guys, tengok partner aku komentate sekarang macam mana. Aduh, aku malu sia tidur sebelah dia. Aduh, malu je. Seperti terlalu terbuka untuk counter attack daripada Nair. Oi.
Oh, wait. No. Okay. That was a slip.
Dia terjatuh.
That was a slip.
I mean, if this was an MMA fight, that slip would have been dire, because that would have been wide open, just
Ground
a little
and
ground and pound.
Currently, I think the first two rounds, Daniel has obviously taken it. Nair has to dig deep and try to find a finish. What's your guys' opinion?
Saya sangat-sangat setuju dengan Jad lah. Jad kata Daniel bergerak macam Conor McGregor masa prime kan. Betul lah, dia bergerak memang macam Conor McGregor masa prime. I think dia bergerak macam Conor McGregor sekarang.
I mean, he's probably around the same age if you think about it, though.
Yeah, but
Conor McGregor is about that age too.
yeah. But
Bro, jangan lah.
but this guy is still throwing, spinning back kicks, and he still has his knees. Daniel is doing really good, showing head tips right now, standing in southpaw.
Oh shit!
Dan kalau kita tengok walaupun usia 43 tahun sekarang, Daniel masih lagi boleh ada gas yang masih lagi ada gas untuk berlawan dengan cara yang facing macam
Daniel with the pressure. He's just throwing 1-2s. Oh, a spinning back kick. That was to his liver, but just barely grazed it.
Okay, dah settle dah. Kita orang sekarang break dulu 30 minit. Aku nak pergi cari surau dulu lah. Gila kau, dulu dekat Subang Parade ni tak ada apa-apa kot. Nasib baik ada event ni, barulah ada orang nak datang. Kalau tak, memang takkan ada lah orang datang. Banyak sangat mall kat sini kan. Five Flow. Apa khabar? Aku dah lama dah sampai sebenarnya. Aku kat Garden.
Yang ni, siapa yang kalahkan I dekat UFC 6 akan mendapat diskaun.
Oi.
Tapi barang 5 flow je. Kita also ada barang dari Venom dengan Primo, 100% original guys. Jangan risau, kita jual fake. Kita ada groin guard, mouth guard, hand wraps, boxing gloves, headgear, semua ada. So kira kalau korang beli shin pad ke glove ke apa, korang mesti ada deodorizer dari 5 flow untuk jaga kau punya fight gear. Stay fresh, fight clean guys. Korang beli ni, memang kena beli ni sekali.
So kalau ni, kalahkan kau, dapat diskaun yang tu. Oi. Tapi kau world number 3.
Yeah. Tadi dah bayar cuba. Bayar cuba.
Tak nampak cerita dia. Five Flow guys, Five Flow. Dia jual deodorant. Hey.
Tak ada suara.
Dah seminggu lah tak ada lagi. 2 minggu lah. 2 minggu dah tak ada suara. Alamak.
Hari ni kita ada komentator kita yang paling gempak dalam Malaysia. So yang tengah pegang kamera ni adalah komentator paling gempak. Kalau korang ada event kenduri ke, event fight ke, event ballerina ke,
Cari MC.
cari MC ke, yes, boleh contact orang yang pegang kamera ni. Ini
Ni
dia.
orang dia. Ni dia. So guys, kita sekarang ada dekat Fire Cage X-Rage. Kita tengah rest. Lepas ni kita akan tengok fight MMA pula. Kita baru habis kickboxing tadi. So lepas ni amateur MMA. Let's go.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling.
Okay, kita dah start dah untuk fight MMA. So, jom kita pergi sambung kita punya kerja.
Yeah, we got that ground and pound, but he's gotta watch out though. He can't be hitting him from behind.
Jadi,
Champion needs to stand up,
perlu,
man.
bangun daripada posisi tersebut dan cuba melepaskan diri.
Flip him over.
Satu
Drop him.
lagi takedown.
Yes!
Dilakukan oleh Adiman.
He has to get that goal. Okay, you know he's like a street fight guy, so
Street fight.
they don't know how it.
No. He thinks it's gonna help, but it's not helping.
Guys, kita ada international bout fight daripada fighter Korea lawan Singapore. Ni Korea, ni Singapore.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next fight is scheduled for 300 rounds of amateur mixed martial arts action.
Right now in the first round, honestly, we can see that Jun Seo is definitely the taller fighter. And we kind of was guessing that Gautam was possibly a grappler, and it seems to be the case right now. He's getting a nice little cage control, a bit of wall wrestling in right now.
Saya rasa Gautam cuma perlu bertahan di situ dan mungkin dia akan membuang sedikit masa dan cuma hold Pak Junso dekat tepi gelanggang saja untuk sampai kalau kita tengok dia dapat wrap penuh tangan dia. Wrap tangan dia penuh. So dalam kontrol Gautam nampaknya dapat kontrol dengan sangat bagus. Kita cuma tunggu bila dia boleh dapatkan takedown saja.
A mob pushing a train, I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
Penat siul, penat. Tengok dorang lawan pun aku dah penat dah. Aku dah malas lah nak lawan lepas ni. Nak jadi komentator lagi best.
Fame from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them.
Let's go. Bobby di sudut biru dan Jamie di sudut merah. Bobby sangat aktif dalam sukan MMA sudah sekian lama, hampir 10 tahun di dalam sukan ini. Menentang Jamie, seorang atlet yang mewakili, yang salah seorang juara dalam kategori Beyond, National Beyond di Indonesia. Down daripada Bobby, single leg. Dia tidak. Bobby mengatakan. Bobby sudah.
It's over.
You called it, Fuzzy. You said he was gonna go a jab, an overhand, and a takedown. So let's see.
I think it's obvious that Jamie
menang.
does not have much grappling experience. He is putting Bobby in a headlock of sorts, but it has no effect on it. he's just limiting his own hands.
Looks like Bobby is trying to put Jimmy to the cage and use the cage to pin him out.
It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. There's no defense. And it's all over.
This is crazy. Bobby literally called it. He was like, Bobby's gonna go jump, overhand, take down, and once it's on the ground, Bobby's gonna finish him and finish him. What a crazy!
Oh, I'm gonna give all the glory to the Lord. Thank you, Lord. And Fire Cage and Southpaw, their team, always make me and my team, my teammates, my friends. Love you all. And great people in my life, helping me and on pushing me. Thanks everyone.
Yo. Hey,
I was thinking want to strike with him, you know. At first, I'm thinking want to strike with him.
You takkan strike dengan dia sebab I dah tahu dah dia mesti akan bagi you opportunity to take down.
Ya, tengok dia swing.
Bro. Kat dalam ring Fire Cage, soon aku akan lawan sini.
your weight with Leon Blaze Chu.
Leon Blaze Chu. Siapa ni? Tak kenal.
Darren Star.
Settle. Aduh, hari-hari dengan Bobby pun nak tangkap gambar lagi.
Aku tak tahu hari ni.
Hari-hari nak tangkap gambar dengan Bobby. Habis dah mission aku untuk tengok kawan aku menang. So guys, itu saja vlog pada hari ni. Kita akan jumpa vlog yang akan datang. Mungkin aku akan bawa korang dekat event yang lebih gempak lagi, ataupun kita akan pergi ke tempat yang lebih menarik lagi. Alright, jumpa lagi vlog akan datang. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.